what purpose does the gentleman from the Northern Mariana Islands rise?
Mr. Speaker, I move that the House suspend the rules and agree to House Resolution 768 as amended.
The clerk will report the title of the resolution.
House Resolution 768, resolution expressing support for the designation of the month of October as National Work and Family Month.
Pursuant to the rule, the gentleman from the Northern Mariana Islands, Mr. Sablan, and the gentleman from Kentucky, Mr. Guthrie, each will control 20 minutes. The chair recognizes the gentleman from the Northern Mariana Islands.
Mr. Speaker, I request 5 legislative days during which members may revise and extend and insert extraneous material on House Resolution 768 into the record.
Without objection, so ordered.
Mr. Speaker, I yield myself as much time as I may consume.
The gentleman is recognized.
I rise today in support of House Resolution 768, which expresses support for National Work and Family Month. Currently, most people work, and balancing work and family is particularly challenging for these workers. This is particularly true for working women who comprise over 1/2 of the workforce and are more likely than men to be primary caregivers of children or other family members. According to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, women spend about 6.3 hours a day caring for children under the age of 13, while men spend 4.1 hours. In addition, women feel more societal pressure than men to stay home with a child or elderly parent who requires care. There is substantial evidence that family-friendly policies help parents balance work and family, improve employers' bottom line, and have beneficial effects on children. A 2008 report by the Families and Work Institute found that workers who are able to balance work and family are more highly engaged in their work and less likely to look for a new job in the next year. They also enjoy better overall health, better mental health, and lower levels of stress. In fact, family-friendly policies might be the key to this country's prosperity. The General Accountability Office has published a study on the practices of other countries and found that policies such as paid leave help workers, especially women, enter and remain in the workforce. Finding a good balance between work and family is important to most people. A 2009 survey of students found that 2/3 of respondents cited a healthy work-life balance was an important career goal. In addition, research by the Radcliffe Public Policy Center found that women in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, and men in their 20s and 30s identified the most important job characteristic to be a job schedule that allows them to spend time with their families. A majority of workers aged 53 and older attribute their success as an employee to job flexibility, which contributes to an overall higher quality of life. By the same token, lack of job flexibility for parents negatively affects child health because they are taken to their doctor less often and do not receive adequate early care. Studies have found that family rituals such as sitting down to dinner together and sharing activities and holidays positively influence children's health and development. Due to the aging of the baby boomers, the Department of Health and Human Services estimates that the number of unpaid caregivers will reach 37 million by 2050, up 85% from 2000. I encourage my colleagues to support designating October as the National Work and Family Month in order to shine a light on the beneficial effects of balancing work and family, and I reserve the balance of my time.
The gentleman reserves the balance of his time. The gentleman